The swept cut feature in assemblies works pretty much the same way as in parts. It removes material by sweeping a profile along a path, but there is one important difference to note. In parts, you can create a solid body to use as a cutting tool, performing a solid sweep as opposed to a profile sweep. In assemblies, however, the solid sweep feature is not available, so you can only use a sketch as the profile. Creating a swept cut in an assembly is just like creating one in a part. I'll click the Assembly Features icon and click Swept Cut, bringing up the Cut Sweep Property Manager. To perform a swept cut, I must select a profile and a path. The profile must be a sketch in the top level of the assembly. The path can either be a sketch or a curve in the top level of the assembly, or an edge of a component in any level of the assembly. I'll select a profile, and a path, and click the green check to complete the swept cut.